This exercise involved the creation of 25 short screencasts on how to use EXE, and it was tailored for a corporate audience. Our group chose new employee orientation for a hospital setting as the scenario for our project. These screencasts were to be uploaded to a channel in YouTube, and we were to target 1,000 hits for our videos. We were also expected to make a monetization document and a 10-minute documentary on the making of the screencasts. After Abigail informed me of this activity, I immediately texted Patty and Marco to form the group.
When Stephen invited me to join the group, I immediately said, yes, of course, why not? So the first thing that came to my mind was that we should meet. And that was a problem because Stephen and Abby were all the way there in Batangas. Patty was here in Quezon City while I was in Makati. So for the first meeting, we said that we should meet face-to-face, probably somewhere in the middle, and we chose Makati as the venue. We held it in Figaro in Sedeño Street, and during that first face-to-face meeting, we decided several things. Among the agreements that we had was the topic or the framework that we would be using for the screencast, and that's where we came up with the new employee orientation as the talking point when we would discuss the iDevices found in EXE. We also came up with a schedule of meetings that we should have in order to follow up the progress of the project. From that first face-to-face meeting, we kept in touch using text messaging, landline calls. We also went online to do conferencing with YM, as well as the web conferencing facility of DimDim. And from then on, we proceeded to do our screencasts, and with the output of the beta screencast, we finally decided, hey, it's time to meet again. And so 2 months after we started doing those screencasts, we had our next meeting here at Annabelle's the following January.
The bulk of our exercise was the making of the 25 screencasts. So after we divided the different screencasts among the members of the group, we set about attempting to make these screencasts. One requirement we had, which we had a lot of difficulty with, was the use of Ubuntu or open source software. Unfortunately, none of the members of the group was familiar with Ubuntu, and having to use it proved very difficult because first we were unfamiliar, and second, there were some incompatibilities with our hardware. So after attempting that, and in addition, Cam Studio, the software which we chose to record the screencast, did not work on Ubuntu. So after attempting that for several days, we finally decided to go down to desperate pleading with our Professor Bingo and ask him to relax this requirement, which luckily, being Christmas, he agreed to do this. Using Cam Studio, we also had to do a lot of tinkering with the settings because we discovered that although Cam Studio is very easy to use, once these screencasts are uploaded to YouTube, the quality suffers. So we did some research also on YouTube to come up with Cam Studio settings that would work better. Through trial and error and a lot of tests, we discovered that lowering the resolution of Windows to a lower resolution for the Windows itself, and then setting up a region in Cam Studio which was 640 by 480, and using the Microsoft codec at 80% quality was the one which worked the best. So with these settings, we standardized among the different group members, and we were able to get better quality videos, but at the expense of very large videos. Our videos ranged from a little under 100 megabytes to a lot bigger. So because of the size of the videos, the complication was it took a long time to upload to YouTube. And sometimes the uploads would take all night and through the day. Sometimes they wouldn't finish. Some hardware configurations refused to do the upload. And again, by trial and error, we were finally able to upload the videos successfully.
After overcoming the initial technical difficulties like the setting of Cam Studio and even using the proper headset and mic, we were able to make our beta screencasts. We uploaded the beta screencast to our individual Multiply sites, which was linked to the class Multiply site, and eventually we also uploaded into the YouTube channel of the class. We were able to screen it and make comments on what we noted to be the deficiencies or what we should improve. Among these were like the standardization of the text, the scripts, and even the sequencing. So after several online meetings, we decided to have another face-to-face. And this one was held at Annabelle's, during which time we finalized our script, the sequencing, and the final plan for our monetization. And of course, the final output and format. Fortunately, during this meeting, we were able to invite Professor Bingo to shed some light into some of our questions and to show him our plan for the final output and format and how we envisioned that the project would be at the end. We've learned a lot from this exercise and we hope that you have too. I'm Abby.
I'm Patty.
I'm Marco.
I'm Steven,
And together we're Group A.
Eskwela to, dito enjoyable. Konting aral lang, konting bulakbol. Dito nang lahat madaldal at bulol. Dito na nga, school bukol. Yeah, school bukol. Yeah, school bukol. Hanggang sa umuwi mula pa sa roll call. Lahat ay magulo, but okay lang, it's cool. Dito ay terrible, dito'y buhol-buhol. Ito na nga, school bukol. Yeah, school bukol. Yeah, school bukol. All right there. School bukol. School bukol. School bukol. School bukol. Sa school namin ay sigurado ka sa happening at sa katatawa. Sigurado ang mga pabongga, ang di lang sure ang pagpasa. Yeah, school